Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cotx s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative cosecant of s squared ds. Because we don't have the negative side in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change by u. This one we change by negative du. So the square root, that is about u to the power of 1 over 2. Now we applied the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du, we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. And now we have the final answer. So this one we have 3 over 2. About u, that is about cotx s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.